Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about an information about an online course where you can get a free online course and also certification which is being authorized by Infosys, and here is the URL of it, Infosys Springboard. And before going to the video, in our channel this kind of video this is the first time I'm posting, and in case if you're interested in this kinds of free courses or free certification, you can just let me know so I can post regularly on this kinds of videos also. And coming to the video, here you can see that this is being offered by Infosys, and also the value of this certification when you are going for a job as a job seeker, or if you're a final year student, surely it will be very useful for you. And in this Infosys Springboard, they're offering various courses and also certification for few, and let me show you what are the courses and how to get those certification. So just first click this login, and you can just log in with your Google account, or you can just register by clicking your own name, details, email, password, and confirming the password of it. So let me log in with my Google account. And now it takes the email ID and asks for the first name. So let me enter my first name and last name and click submit. And first it asks for, are you 18 years of age or older? Click yes and click submit. And then you can see your terms and condition details. You can just read out this and then click this I agree to terms and condition and data privacy notice, which is given the end of the web page, and click accept. And now you can see the details. I am a learner or parent, educational institute representative or teacher. So you can select this, which is the default one, learner and parent, and you can just enter the details of your name, gender, state, city, educational institution name, address, affiliation, grade, phone number. And here you can enter I heard about Springboard from, so which place you enter, from where you got this information of this website. You can just enter those details.
We are delighted to present to you the Infosys Head Start portal, which is now ready.
And after entering those details, you can see an intro video of them. Just click next. And here you can see what are you interest, and you can just enter your interest of where you can just enter your details like Python, machine learning, or Java, whichever things you wanted. You can just enter it. You can just see also suggestions they have given over here. Now let me click next and show you what all the contents available. And here you can choose your language. Let me choose English. And if you wanted to change this font size and everything, you can just do it by here, these stuffs. I'll just skip this and just click done. And now you can see the dashboard where you can see the details of the contents given here, and if you added your interest, it will be showing the relevant contents here. So if you click this playground, where you can see various technology playgrounds, where you can see the level of the courses also, intermediate, beginner. So you can see those details here, Angular, Java. So if you click this explorer, you can see the details of the all the other courses that they're offering. So here if you click the technology, here you can see the technologies like analytics, big data, blockchain, cloud computing, data science. So you can see this Java, machine learning, all these stuffs you can just see. So if I click Java, you can see the courses that are available for the Java. Now in the dashboard you can see this search icon. Just if you click the search icon, you can see the two things, that is learning content and certifications. If you click this learning content, you can see what all the content that is available, the course, the module, resources, channel, certification, everything whichever you wanted, you can just check it out. It is not only for the Java or Python. There are various kinds of courses available and everything is free, and you can just explore it by clicking these kinds of ASP.NET or the thing that you wanted. You can search out here. Coming back to the search icon here, once if you click that, you can see this certification. Once if you click this certification, you can see the certification. Currently they are offering 7 certification course. So here you can see Spring Associate Developer, first one, Associate IT Foundation Skill Java, this is a beginner level, and Associate IT Foundation Skill for the Python for the beginner level, and React Associate Developer Certification, which is a beginner level, and Angular Associate Developer Certification, which is also a beginner level, and Java Developer Certification beginner level, Python Programmer Certification, which is beginner level. And here you can see the course durations of all these things. For example, if you wanted to take on for example, if you wanted to take this Python Programmer Certification course, just if you click this, here you can see the Python Programmer Certification course objective, and here you can see what you will learn: Python basics, control structure, collections, exception handling, file handling. And here you can see the pre-content, study materials, skills you will gain here. And also here you can see at a glance that what is this course is about. And here you can see this take certification option. Just if you click this take certification option but menu, and here you can see take online. So this certification exam is virtually assessed and you can take it from anywhere and any time. And here you can see what all those requirements, that is internet connectivity and a laptop or computer with audio and video. So they'll be checking out both the audio and video that should be enabled. So you should have your microphone and webcam connected, and also after that you should take this examination. And if you click this analytics part, you can see how many unique users are available. So there are currently 3,226 users are available, and content views is around 14,117. And here you can see the daily unique views, how many people are daily taking and what is the date and time. You can check all those details and how many daily views and users they are taking for the Windows, Android and Mac. So everything is being listed out here, and you can see the city wise uses also, how many people are using from these cities. All these things are being given as analytics manner. So in such way you can take up this course for Java or Python or Angular or React. So surely it will be helpful as a fresher or a final year student, for a job seeker. A certification which is also a free certification, that is also from a company like Infosys, will be an added advantage for you. And this is all about the thing that I wanted to convey you, and you can explore other things from the website. And thank you all watching.